Hello everyone, welcome back to Designing Point with another video. Today we are going to see how to create this kind of modern professional YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop. I am going to show all the process of creating this kind video thumbnail so that if you are a beginner or you want to learn how to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos, you can easily create by following this tutorial. So if you are interested to create this kind of eye-catchy YouTube thumbnails for your videos, watch it until the end. So let's get started. First, create a full HD new document. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Go to Filter menu and choose Blur and Gaussian Blur. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Create a new layer. Take a brush tool. Choose your desired color. Follow this process. Again, create a new layer. Follow this process. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Change the blending mode normal to screen. Take a type tool and write your desired text. Right-click and go to Blending option. Press Ctrl T and adjust its size and position. Right-click and go to Blending option. Follow this process. Right-click and choose Copy Layer Style. Again, right-click and choose Paste Layer Style. Follow this process. To make a final color correction all the layers, we need to choose the first layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift and E. Go to Filter menu and choose Camera Raw Filter. You need to play with these settings. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button. For more unique tutorial, thank you.